Akala mo busog na siya? This feeding habit mo ang problema. Hello, my name is Miss Suzanne. Hindi po ako vet, but I've been an animal welfare advocate for almost 25 years. I also had an international NGO that helps uplift the lives of Philippine dogs. Minsan akala natin satisfied na mga aso pag mabilis sila kumain. Pero speed doesn't equal contentment. Kapag walang structure ang feeding, dogs eat out of excitement. Kain lang sila ng kain dahil sa excitement, not hunger. Remember that, not hunger. So anong gagawin? Try setting a calm routine, same time, same place, no distractions. Pag kumain sila ng dahan-dahan, helps them feel more fuller, mas lalo silang mabubusog, and more calmer. Remember, calm feeding leads to calm behavior. Save this tip bago mag-next mealtime niya.